Yeah. Oh my god, it's so hot. Look at her Shein fit. Later.
Hater.
Mm. I'm already red from the hot
I wish. I'm
weather.
like fucking not even fan.
So I'm kind of shy. No, but it's really cold and I'm not about to go in. These waves, man. But it's so cold. All my friends are over there. I'm just here. These waves. I can't. It's too cold. But the water is super clean. Hey guys, so I'm sorry that I didn't make an intro or an outro, but I was working on this vlog a while ago and I never ended up posting it. But I felt like it's a decent vlog that I like. This is my first attempt trying to make a vlog, so it's just me and the beach with my friends. We went to a boardwalk, so I hope you guys enjoy what I vlogged just a little. And thank you for the support, guys, and I'll see you next time.